Hello kids! Welcome to our fun learning video. Today we will learn 20 animal names. Let's start!
This is a dog. A dog is friendly and loves to play. This is a cat. A cat says meow meow. This is an elephant. An elephant is very big and strong. This is a lion. The lion is the king of the jungle. This is a cow. A cow gives us milk. This is a horse. A horse can run very fast. This is a panda. A panda loves to eat bamboo. This is a monkey. A monkey likes to jump and play. This is a rabbit. A rabbit loves carrots. This is a tiger. A tiger has black stripes. This is a sheep. A sheep gives us wool. This is a goat. A goat likes to climb. This is a pig. A pig loves mud. This is a hen. A hen gives us eggs. This is a frog. A frog can jump high. This is a snake. A snake moves by crawling. This is a turtle. A turtle walks very slowly. This is a giraffe. A giraffe has a long neck. This is a zebra. A zebra has black and white stripes. This is a bear. A bear is big and strong.
Great job, kids! You learned 20 animal names today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep learning. Bye-bye!